I created a full stack application using Cursor AI, and basically what I did is I used the chat to give it instructions and create the app. So there's still a few bugs on the app, but it was successfully able to create the backend and front end as well. So the backend is basically a MongoDB database, and uh, the backend was created in Node.js, and the front end is basically React. Um, so I'll give you a quick rundown of how the application works. What I do first here, I already have the server MongoDB server running, and so where can you see that? I already have the MongoDB server running, and the front end is also running as well. So what I currently have is the recipe sharing platform, and what it does is it allows you to create recipes and share it on the dashboard. So there's a login page and there's a home page where you can see multiple recipes. As of now, the data is a bit limited as I haven't entered a lot of recipes and stuff. But let's get into how the backend works. So first we create a user, whatever name we can give. I'll use C for this one, C at C, and then there's a password. Password is going to be 6 C's, and then I'll confirm the password the same way. It's going to sign up, and then uh, what we have is a recipe sharing platform. Now it has a login button and it's inside the user's portal. So the home is still visible, and the dashboard is for the user to create recipes, and there's also an option to create recipes on here. So what happens is, let's say I create a recipe with a name or something, um, let's say um, chicken, whatever, like malai chicken, uh, whatever ingredients I add, curd, cheese, and whatever, just to test it, cook it, and then I create it for lunch. There's also an option to choose file, but it gives an error as of now, but I'm sure the AI can fix it. But as I was having a lot of MongoDB configuration errors, I didn't try to implement this function. So as you see, the recipe creation is done. It shows up here, and it's also going to show up on the home page as a new recipe. So there's a functionality that whatever users create, it's going to show up on the home pages, and the other two users can search for the same recipes posted by the other their fellow users. So the create recipe works like this, and then there's the dashboard. There's a button for edit as well. So if you want to change malai chicken to malai tikka, let's say, and it's gonna do that as well. It has changed it. And then saved recipes, we don't have any. I think the recipes function doesn't work as of now, but the AI can implement that as well. So I've been trying to fix the bugs, but what I ran into was the MongoDB error. So it took me a lot of time to fix it. The whole website was working before, but today, as I'm recording the demo, it's not working. It wasn't working, so I took a lot of time to fix that. And I'm gonna log out of this user, and it's gonna go take me to the home page. It's gonna stay at the home page, and then when I try to log in, there was another user as well, a.a, and then the same 6 A's for the password. So this is another user, and there's, as you can see, the database is saved for that user as well. And then now I'm gonna go on to the user that we had. So the data is getting saved in the backend, which we can clearly see on here. So I believe this is a complete full stack application. There's minor bug fixes and stuff, but this was completely created by using Cursor AI, and it was completely given prompts by me, and it completely designed to design the application from scratch. So this is it for my demo for the part 2 of the assignment 1 for the data mining class.